Hey John, thanks for bringing Aurobindo back into my mind. I explored him by reading The Life Divine. Uh, Almost 2 years ago now, and I've since not moved on, but just been exploring other things. And but recently I've been over at Gaia.com on my blog, discussing the nature of integral spirituality, philosophy, practice, etc. And having Aurobindo brought up now is rather opportune because I would like to integrate him, so to speak, into the discussion I've been having over there. So I thank you for that. Um, I just went back and watched my video reading that chapter or section from the Life Divine, and I'm gonna play a short little piece of what I read.
To the ordinary material intellect, which takes its present organization of consciousness for the limit of its possibilities, the direct contradiction of the unrealized ideals with the realized fact is a final argument against their validity. But if we take a more deliberate view of the world's workings, this direct opposition appears rather as part of nature's profoundest method and the seal of her completest sanction. For all problems of existence are essentially problems of harmony. They arise from the perception of an unsolved discord and the instinct of an undiscovered agreement or unity.
So when we try to ask a question like, does consciousness create matter? We're faced with one of these oppositions, which, as Aurobindo said, there is nature's most profoundest method of what, or for what? For evolution, for spurring growth. And without this opposition, there's no motivation to progress, to move from matter to life to mind to supermind to God. And so, rather than pick one or the other as being primary, consciousness or matter, I think the point is to see, material, natural evolution on this planet as God manifesting through matter. And so we shouldn't see the material world as Maya, as a lot of Vedantists typically do. I don't think Aurobindo was pointing us in that direction. I think he was trying to get us to hold in mind both sides of this opposition, such that we are spurred to evolve due to the conflict. This may be frustrating because we don't get a settled or certain answer about about which is fundamental, consciousness or matter. But at the same time, isn't being genuinely spiritual about being able to remain in the mystery without leaping to any certain premature conclusions? Just being open to our own experience and to the possibility of transformation at any and every moment. That seems to me to be part of the life divine. If everything was consciousness, then what? How do you explain the consistency of matter? Both the consistency of its substance and the consistency of its habits. But at the same time, if everything is just material, we can't even explain how we're able to communicate with each other. We can't explain how it is that we see and have experience. So, obviously it's neither one nor the other, I think. It's in between. It's the evolution guided by each, by, pure consciousness involving through matter, which matter evolves back toward consciousness. and it's that process that we're a part of, and to decide which it really is, which is first, which is primary, may not be appropriate. It may diminish the awesomeness of the process. So yeah, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there.